A Taiwanese fishing boat has suffered gun raids from an armed Philippine vessel and lost the father of her children. The Taiwanese fishing boat, Guang Da Xing No. 28, was at sea in the overlapping exclusive economic zones of Taiwan and the Philippines when a vessel of the Philippine Coast Guard started chasing and firing at the Taiwanese ship without warning. The captain, Hung Shih-cheng, urged the other 3 crew members to hide below the deck, where his father, Hung Shih-cheng, was shot in the neck and died at the scene. The Philippine Coast Guard claimed that the gunfire started because the armless 15-ton Guang Da Xing No. 28 attempted to ram the Philippine vessel 6 times its size, so they left 59 bullet holes on the Taiwanese ship with 14 rifles and a machine gun. The Philippines has refused to co-investigate, refused to compensate, and refused to apologize.